How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today, a short video just to review the security of ExpressVPN and what makes a VPN, especially ExpressVPN, a safe option. Okay, so before we begin, if you guys are interested in learning more about ExpressVPN's privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features, you'll find a full review in the description down below, as well as a link to a special discounted price so they can save a little bit more money. All right, so in the ExpressVPN privacy policy, I did not find anything that hints at any kind of suspicious data collection practices, and they do not collect any logs that could be linked back to the user or the real IP address of the user that is connected to their VPN. And they do have multiple independent audit reports which can be read in full if you are interested. They're available for the public to read. So they do prove the integrity of their no logs policy in multiple independent audit reports. And if that's not enough, in 2017, the Turkish government seized an ExpressVPN server as part of an investigation, and they were still unable to extract any information out of these servers thanks to the true no logs policy of ExpressVPN. And to just really hammer this home, of course, you have the trusted technology, which means that their servers are running on RAMs rather than hard drives. So there are no physical drives connected to these servers where information can be stored, but rather there are only RAMs, and whatever little information is stored on these RAMs will be wiped with every machine reboot. So this just solidifies the security of ExpressVPN's server infrastructure and privacy policy. And of course, the application is backed up by a kill switch and split tunneling, two very necessary security features. The kill switch will kill your internet connection if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, making sure that you're only going to be connected to the internet while you're secured by the VPN encryption. Otherwise, it will disconnect your internet. And split tunneling will allow you to choose which applications are routed through the VPN and which are not, which is a very useful feature. And you have a handful of protocols. And that's pretty much it for ExpressVPN. It's a very simple VPN to use, very plug and play, and very easy to use and compatible with many devices. All right. So overall, the ranking of ExpressVPN security is very high, and I would say the ExpressVPN privacy policy is one of the best policies in the business. So with regards to trusting ExpressVPN with your information or data or activity logs, you can definitely do that. And as I said earlier, it could not have been demonstrated any better than in the 2017 seizure of ExpressVPN's servers by the Turkish government. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys are interested in ExpressVPN, you'll find a link in the description down below. It'll give you an extra discount if you'd like to save up a little bit more cash, and a full review if you'd like to learn more about ExpressVPN. Keep in mind that ExpressVPN does have a 30-day money-back guarantee on all of the plans, so you can try out these servers for 30 days risk-free. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.